This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This accesses Apple ID controls. Once done, tap Family Sharing to see the organizer and member list so you know who's linked. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in on the device and two-factor authentication is enabled because family sharing changes require verification. If you plan to add someone, have their Apple ID ready. This step establishes authority and prepares you to change roles or add and remove family members securely and quickly. Now select any listed member to reveal options like role, shared purchases, and parental controls. This is where you make precise changes. To add a person, tap Add Member, enter their Apple ID, or send an invite. To remove someone, tap their name, then Remove. You can toggle specific features, shared purchases, iCloud storage, location sharing, and screen time to tailor access. Because these settings affect purchases and privacy, review each toggle carefully and confirm changes when prompted to avoid unintended. To change the organizer, the easiest way is for the current organizer to transfer responsibilities by removing members and re-inviting under a new organizer, or contact Apple support for an official transfer if needed. This maintains purchase history. Once done, make sure everyone confirms invitations and signs out and back in on their devices so settings propagate. If something goes wrong, check Apple ID status, two-factor authentication, network connectivity, and that devices run recent iOS versions before retrying. Those fixes resolve most sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.